Unboxing the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Welcome, tech enthusiasts! Today, we have the highly anticipated Motorola Edge 50 Pro for unboxing. Let's dive right in and discover what this flagship device has to offer. As we open the sleek packaging, we are greeted with the stunning design of the smartphone. The first thing that catches the eye is the vibrant display that stretches edge to edge, providing an immersive viewing experience. Moving on, we find the powerful processor and ample storage that promise seamless performance and storage for all your needs. Exploring further, we uncover the impressive camera setup of the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. With multiple lenses and advanced features, this smartphone is sure to elevate your photography game. Additionally, the long-lasting battery ensures that you stay connected throughout the day without interruption. The device also boasts cutting-edge security features to keep your data safe and secure. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is a premium smartphone that ticks all the boxes for the modern user. Stay tuned for our in-depth review where we will delve deeper into the performance and capabilities of this device. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting tech unboxings.